So do you ever open so many tabs on your Samsung internet application that you no longer remember which ones are for work, which ones are for research, and which ones are just for things you want to look into? Now the Samsung browser has a much better way to separate them. So welcome back to the Doitright Tech channel, where I take you through everything tech. And in today's video, I will be showing you a Samsung browser feature that lets you manage separate browser windows instead of throwing every tab into one long messy list. The version I'm using in this video is linked in the description below, so check it out if you want to try the same features for yourself. But without wasting much time, don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. On that note, let's go. Normally, when you are inside your Samsung browser, every website you open ends up inside one big tab collection that you see right here at the bottom. Your research tabs, your shopping tabs, videos, news, web pages, everything is mixed up together. But with a new feature that is the Manage Windows feature, you can now separate your browsing into different windows. So let me show you. So currently, if you're in your browser this way, you can change how it looks. It could look differently. Then when you tap on this top right corner, you can see exactly what is here. Now, what is here, I'm going to be showing it in this corner. Okay, so if we come here, we try to find out which version in about, we can see that is 30.0.67, which is the latest that is available on your Samsung Galaxy Store. But in the latest one, when you come into settings, under about browser, you're going to find 30.0.2.45, and this is the version I want you to be trying to download in the description below. So in this version, if we come here and we tap on the tabs right here, we're able to tap on these three dots, and then you can find a new feature there that's Manage Windows. Once you tap on it, you can see here, this is one active window that has 50 tabs in it. There's another window that has just one tab in it. So depending on which one you want, you can open, for example, this tab, it has only one, so you can put only maybe your research tabs all inside here. And then when you come back inside this space, you can have another set inside here. But the crazy thing about it is, you could actually open both windows at the same time. So I come here to Manage Windows, tap on these three dots. I can open it as split screen or as that. So if I open it as split screen, I'm going to have one of them here, which has 50 tabs, and one of them here, which has one tab. So two separate opened different tabs here and different tabs right here. But it doesn't end there. Let's go into this one, because you can also come inside here, go into managing your windows, and with these windows you can also have it as pop-up, or you could move this window into another window. So for instance, if I want to join this window to that window, we can also do that. Tap on this and 51 tabs inside here, so we can open several different windows and then categorize our browsing tabs the way we want them. In the link below, once you're in there, you just want to scroll down and tap here on download, which you'll be downloading this very variant, the 30.0.2.45. You want to come into settings and scroll all the way down till you get to security and privacy. Then scroll down and you want to turn off the auto blocker. And once that is done, you should be able to install it. After installing it, you're good to go. Let's say you're researching some YouTube videos, you can keep all your Samsung research tabs in one window, then open another window for your personal browsing. Maybe another one for work and another one for shopping. Now when you go back into the browser later, you're not searching through 50 random tabs, trying to remember what each one was for. Everything stays grouped by what you're doing. It now will feel more like a computer browser, but now on your Samsung phone. And that's the new Manage Window feature inside your Samsung browser. It is a small update, but can make a big difference if you're someone who always has too many tabs open. Instead of one messy tab list, you can now open separate spaces for separate tasks. So let me know in the comment section, would you have this for work, research, school, shopping, or content creation? But without wasting my time, don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. On that note, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.